Hey, what's up? Hey, how do we make out on the Craigslist versus Fiverr votes?
Oh, we got like 9 on Instagram. Yo, but get this, bro. We got 11 on Facebook.
Wait. So you're telling me we got 9 votes on Instagram and 11 votes on Facebook?
That's right.
Bro, that's like 25 votes, bro.
That's 25.
Yeah, we on the come up. Let's go. All right, that means like we're gonna like line up a sponsor next week or something, right?
I got a better idea. Hear me out. All right. What if we sell our own merch, bro?
Bro, you know nobody likes people slinging merchandise on YouTube. Everyone skips it, like literally everyone.
Bro, stop being so negative. What if they don't skip?
You're right, man. What if they don't skip? Link in the description. All right, so what do they vote for?
Oh, well, like, I didn't really look at that, bro. I was just looking at the numbers, bro.
You're telling me you counted all the votes on Instagram and Facebook,
Yep.
but you don't know what they actually voted for?
Guilty.
Why do I even pay you?
You don't pay me.
That's right, I don't pay you.
Hey, what up, fam? It's Peyton here, and welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little skit that I was talking to myself. And if you guys really enjoy the content, make sure to put a thumbs up and then also subscribe. It pushes this channel out to a lot more people. Then it also helps me kind of gauge on what you guys want in terms of a content creator. If you guys want more of that, please press a like. If you guys don't want any of that, press a dislike. So it just gives me kind of a gauge on what I should be creating from here on out. Without further ado though, let's get started on what this video is all about, because it is starting from $0 to $100 using Craigslist flipping. That's what you guys voted for, and that's what I am going to do. And from there, I'm going to hopefully keep on growing that money to put a down payment on a rental property. Not here in California, but probably somewhere in Oklahoma or Texas, because I have more connections there. So let's get this thing started. We're gonna start with $0 on the bank account and really hopefully grow that in 2021 so we put a rental property down in 2022. All right, love you guys. Let's get this started. All right, the first thing that we're gonna do is actually going to look up things on either Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, or Craigslist. And I know I said kind of Craigslist flipping, but at the same time, every single one of these buy to sell local platforms is going to have a free section on a specific platform. So Facebook has it, OfferUp has it, which also merged with Letgo, which is awesome, and then Craigslist. Then from there, I'm going to look up the free section, pick it up in my van, and then head over to my area and then sell it in this area. So let's see what we do and how we make out. All right, so we are doing some Craigslist flipping, and we found a great ad. I'm gonna put it up on the screen right now. And this was about a 30-minute drive from my place, but this is probably gonna give a good return. So I'm gonna pick up 2 things from them. They said I'm okay to just pick up the couch and then the coffee table, and that coffee table and that couch will probably net me around like 50, 70 bucks minimum. I'm probably gonna try to sell the couch for 80 bucks. Probably somebody will undercut me to like 40 or 50, and I'll take that, whatever. And then the coffee table, I'll probably put it up for 40 and somebody will give me 20. So probably looking at minimum 60 bucks, maybe 50 bucks if I really want to get this off my hands. But I don't mind waiting. I have the storage, so why not? But keep you posted. All right, so we just came back to our house and we just picked up the coffee table and the couch from the ad, and this looks really good. I'm super excited about it. The owner was like, took care of his stuff, you could tell. And so this should be a pretty easy flip. Minimum 40 bucks if I really want to get this stuff out quickly, but we're gonna try to sit at like maybe $60 to $80 range. We'll see about that. Let's do it. All right, I just wanted you guys to take a better look at the coffee table and the couch before we put it up on Craigslist. So here is the coffee table, and then there is the couch. Couch actually folds up to storage, which is pretty dang cool. All right, that was so easy to do, and yeah. We're gonna post it on Facebook. My turn. All right, guys. Did I call it? I think I did. I'll post the OfferUp message here. I'll phase out their name just so some privacy reasons. But yeah, they're offering 50 and I don't really want to keep it in the house for that long. So pretty good flip though. I did it yesterday, and so $50 for just like an hour drive. It's not bad. And I still have to sell a coffee table. So we're thinking about maybe $70 profit. Nice. All right, fam. So it is crazy what happened. So on Instagram and Facebook, we actually was like documenting our process for the 20 people that voted. Thank you so much for voting. And from there, somebody reached out to me and was like, hey, I would actually like to buy that coffee table from you. I was like, you know it's free, right? You know I got it for free, right? And they're like, yeah. And so they actually was like $20, and I was like, great. And here's a picture from it. I blacked out their picture and also their little privacy information. And then from there, we are at $70 for the first week of Craigslist flipping. So I picked up everything on Monday, sold on Tuesday, sold on Wednesday, and now we're at $70. And now we can use that money for anything that we want to do, but we're gonna keep on growing that money. Remember, that end goal is to be able to purchase like a down payment on a specific rental property, like maybe a duplex or a triplex. And so I am so pumped from this because this is starting off strong, and we're gonna get into more things as we progress. And if you guys want to see something, what I'm intending to do with this money is to build a website for my videography service and then run ads on it to be able to kind of get that first $1,000. And then, or I can also run you guys through how to kind of build your own merchandise store using Shopify and Printful. And that might be something useful for you guys. And that's very low capital, which is probably why I'm gonna do that, just to show you guys and hopefully get some side income passively using that system. But that is it. And that is it for today. As always, I love you guys and I believe in you. If you guys have any questions, definitely put it down in the comments. And if you guys enjoyed this, if you guys want me to do more of this, please like and also subscribe, because this will actually push down and then gauge for me on if this content is actually going to grow or if there's any audience for it. So love you guys. Peace.